back to another video. So I'm just gonna show you I've got a few bits from Amazon. I didn't have time to put them in my video last time, so I thought I'd quickly show you the few bits I got off Amazon. Nothing exciting, guys, but you know, it might be something that catches your eye. First, I've got some gel polish. I've got a couple of sets of gel polish. First, I've got some more mylee. That's a base coat and no wipe top coat, because the top coat that I've already got of theirs, I can't bother getting it out, is one of them that leaves a tacky layer and you have to wipe it off. So I've got a no wipe top. I've not even checked it actually. Yeah, a no wipe top coat this time. And I've got their matte top coat. I haven't got their matte. And the matte came without a box. I don't know why they've come in boxes and that one hasn't, but it has. So I got them, and I also got a couple of these. I've never tried Blue Sky gel polish, but I've been told that they're very good. I've never tried them. Never. So I got this little blue colour. I like the bottles with the colour on top. Yeah, like a pastel blue. It's going to need a shake. They've been sat in my box for a couple of weeks. Why are you at a really funny angle up there? You look really weird today. Is that better? So we got that one. And then we've got a nice yellow. I was thinking Easter, spring when I got these. And this is a nice, really nice pastel yellow, that, isn't it? Really bright. Yeah, I'm loving yellow at the minute. I think it's the time of year for me. But that's a really nice yellow, isn't it? I like that. I like these little skinny brushes. Really skinny mini brushes on them. So I'll be curious to try them. I won't swatch them today. But if anyone does want me to swatch them to see what they're like, let me know and I'll do it. So we got them. Right, and I also got these Poop Toot. Poop Toot. What a weird name. This is an Amazon. Actual Amazon Basics. Poop Toot. I didn't know Amazon Basics did gel polish. I had to try them. But I actually like the bottle. So it's got a base coat and a top coat. And then two colours. So I got red and blue. Red and blue. Poop Toot. I can't get over that. So there's your red, and it's a proper bright red. I like that. It's a lot brighter red actually than what the camera's showing. And this blue's nice. I've already had a look at these. Really nice. Bit darker than the sky blue. I like it. These brushes, I can't even feel that brush. It is that soft. Super thin. Really soft brush. I can't feel the side of the jaw with it. Nice actually. So I'll see what they're like. Maybe I'll swatch both of these at the same time. But yeah. Poop Toot. Reminds me of Poop Scoop. Hey, dearie me. So there's them. Poop Toot. I can't stop saying it. Everybody together now. Poop Toot. And I got, does anybody remember these Nico Gel Polishes that I got? And I loved this packaging. These are the ones. I loved these. So it came with like a couple of nudes, a couple of greys, and then pinks. I really, really liked it. I did. So I've got another one of these. And this one is all pastels. Look at the bottles, guys. Aren't they beautiful? They are so pretty. All these little gel polish sets that I get, I always keep them in the boxes in my cupboard or in my drawers. But these pink ones, I'm actually going to put these on a shelf. Because they're super pretty, aren't they? I really like them. So I'll do a video on them next week or something. I really liked the first lot that I tried. And they look really nice for spring as well. Look at the little flowers on there. Aren't they cute? So I've got them. Then I've got a little bit of a mylee haul. Mylee. So I've got this. What's going on today? It's really weird. So this is a magnet. I have got this magnet, but I haven't got this one. I wanted this for that. So it's just your standard one with the 2 magnets. And then this one, this is what I wanted. Never used one of these. Never. So I can't wait to have a play with that. That would make flowers, I think, wouldn't it? I don't know what this one would do, but yeah, we'll give them a play with. And then I got a mylee. Look at this packaging. So this is a cushion powder pen, a chrome pen. One of them chrome pens. Yeah, so this is just one of them chrome powders where it's got chrome powder in the lid. And you just do it like that instead of it being in a pot and an eyeshadow applicator. You just twist it in the lid like that and it's got chrome in it. It won't work because obviously I've not got top coat on, but yeah, one of them. Yeah, look, show you there. One of them. See what I mean, guys? A boring one today. It's all random stuff. I got a mylee duster brush. I got this because it's black. And I keep throwing all my pink ones away because the minute you get anything wet on them, that's it. They're stained and you can't get it off. This one I could use forever and you're never going to see the dirt on it. Perfect. That was my thinking behind getting that. Anyway, was I'll never have to clean it. Right, sticking with mylee, I've got this glitter catcher. I've wanted one of these for ages. So this is one of them trays that when you're pouring glitter over your nail, you pour it into this and it catches it. So this is it. You put your finger there, pour your glitter, and then if you need a second pour, you can pull it out, pour it again, catch it, and then it'll catch it in the second tray underneath, and then you can just pour it into your pot. Isn't that clever? I think that's really, really cool. I like it. Wanted one of them for a while. And then lastly, from mylee, I've got another Dibber Dabber. I'm not happy with this actually. The way it's packaged is damaged all the sponges. It looks alright like that when I opened it. But when you take these out, they're damaged. Actually, they're not too bad at the minute because I fixed them and put them back in properly. But when it turned up, yeah, they were all damaged and squished and stuff. I mean, they're still not great now, but that's because when it arrived, I took them out and put them in a little bit better, but yeah, they were a lot worse than that. Oh, I'm quite happy with them then. They've gone back to the normal shape. They were bad when they turned up. Yeah, I'm happy with them now. So yeah, it's just one of them Dibber Dabber spongy things. These feel a lot firmer than the AliExpress ones I've got. Yeah, these feel a lot firmer. But we shall see. Right, and lastly, from Amazon, let me move all this out the way. I'm excited for these. These have just come actually, and I haven't even looked at them yet. These are packs of rings I've got from my practice hand. A pack of silver and a pack of gold, I think they are. $12.99 these were each, and there's 74 rings in each one. So even if I get 20 rings out of it, I'll be happy for that price, because I buy packs of 10 off AliExpress for like £3. So I've worked it out. If I get 40, I've got to get. As long as 40 of them are alright, I'll be happy. So there's 74 in here. My gosh, they're all in packets, look. Right, shall we just let's just open one and have a look, shall we? $12.99 for 74 of each. So let's see what we got. Oh, these look like black. These are all black. Oh, they're small. That's perfect because my red iguana's tiny. Alright, I'm not mad at these at all. They'd be cool on a black design. Yeah, I'm not mad at these at all. At all. Oh, there's even a little dot of a black one. Size of that. Alright. Yeah, these are all gothic type ones. Yeah, oh, there's another black one. Yeah, I'm happy with these. I'm not mad at these at all. Some of these are small. They're all different sizes, actually. Oh, look at that one. Got angel wings on it. Right, so that's one good pack, at least. Oh, shit, that's got little love hearts on it. Yeah, I'm not mad at these at all. I'm quite happy with that first pack. Quite gothic type rings, aren't they? Right, let's open just a couple more, and then we'll look at the gold ones. I'm happy with that pack. I haven't got any rings that I've got black on like that. This one just looks like little skinny plain, just little plain silver bands, doesn't it, in that one? I'm alright. Yeah, not bad. Oh, that's got a little love heart in it. A moon. Oh, I'm not mad at these at all. Have we got any gem type ones? Oh, we have. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, is there only two? Look. They've got like little mylar in there. Little mylar. Oh my gosh, I love these. I've got a gold ring with mylar in. Look. Oh, I'm happy with these. Look at these, guys. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that one. That's a cool one. I like that. It's different. Yeah, and there's all little gemmy ones. And I'll tell you something, they're quite sparkly. They are. Little pearl. Oh, cool. Look how sparkly that gem is. I love these. Right, that's 4 packs I'm happy with. I'm not going to open any more. I'm just going to have a quick scan through them. Oh, I've got to open this one. Got a snake in here. 2 snakes. 3 snakes. 4 snakes. So we've got that one with a little gem in its head. This one. Proper snake. This one. Oh my gosh, I'm well impressed with these guys. Do I keep saying oh my gosh? And then that one. Look at all these slithering sneaky snakes. These are so cool. Yeah, I'm happy with these. I'm over the moon with these actually, for that price. Right, should we look at the gold ones? What? That's got silver in there as well. What? Are these mixed up then? Yeah, there must just be 2 packs of silver in them. Alright. I'm not too keen on this shade of gold. Bit of a... I like really pale golds, I do. It's personal preference, innit? They look a bit lighter maybe than them. Yeah, I like really pale golds, I do. Have a quick look at this, because I like the look of this. I like this. I haven't got one like that. That's cool. Oh, look. Little puddy cat one. These also, I'm really impressed for the price. I can't believe the price of these. $12.99 a pack. Oh, I like these. I like these ones. They're smart, aren't they? Oh, brilliant. Yes, 1, 2. Is it just 2 again? 3. Oh, we've got 3 in this one. 4. 5. Have you heard me? 6. Oh my gosh, we've got 6 opal ones. Look at all these. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the sparkle though. Oh, these are beautiful. They're super, super sparkly rings as well. Oh, I love these. I really like these guys. Can you tell? Look at all these opal ones though. I'm calling them opal. Are they even opal? Is that what you call this stuff? Not actual opal, but look at all them. Right, I'm not going to open anymore. Oh, that's got black ones in as well, look. I'm really impressed with these guys. Look at them. I like these. I like this one. There's some really cool stuff in there. There's some... Oh, we've got a yin and yang. I am well impressed with them. I really am. Let me know what you think, guys. You think that's a bargain or what? Because I do. Anyway, yeah, that is it, guys. I'm going to have to leave it there. Long video, I know. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to leave links below. All links will be below. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. Look, there's little balls in there and everything. Or a butterfly. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.